Sure, welcome to OKAI booth. We are a manufacturing brand. We manufacture both electric scooters and also e-bikes. I will start with scooters. So this one you are looking at now is our flagship off-road performance scooter called OKAI Panther ESA 100. This is my coworker Mac, and he's helping us to show some highlights. So as a performance scooter, we have a secret battery dock. So you can unlock it and you can take it out and charging by itself. And this is a dual motor performance scooter, front and rear motor. Each is 750 watts standard. Top peak power is 1500 watts each, so adds up 3000. You can tell it's very powerful. So the top speed, are you ready? It's 37.3 miles per hour. So what we are trying to do, the mission is to use those mini vehicle, mini EV to provide people a transportation solution, seriously thinking as alternative for auto. So it helps the environment, it is carbon friendly and green emission, zero emission. So, and also we have front suspension, rear shock absorber, big fat tire, 12-inch, pneumatic, air tire, very bright headlights. We have dual brakes, hydraulic brakes, and a very smart integrated touchscreen.
And how long does it take to charge?
So per full charge, it's a big battery capacity. So per full charge, 5 amp is 5 hours, 5 to 6 hours.
Thank you. Is there anything else we should show?
Sure. So this is a group of electric scooters. These two are our most successful Neon series because it's been in the market for 2 years. So over the 2 years, this black one called the Neon Pro is our best seller. So the reason we call this series Neon series, because we have front neon lighting, it's high quality LED lighting, and the best part for this is there's two features. One is for safety, enhance your visibility. And the second one, people likes personalized, right? So, and it's stylish. You can use OKAI app. All our products it has app sync ability. So you can use OKAI app to change colors.
What do these retail?
Yes, let's go back to the retail price. The first flagship scooter is $2,000 $499. It's available next month. We're gonna do a pre-order campaign. And this one is already in the market. You can search it. It's on official website. It has on retailer partner, Best Buy, Target, Amazon. So MSRP, this one is $800.49. And this is the newest, higher level than the Neon Pro. It's called the ES40. So this one is an urban scooter. Let me open for you. It carried the same stylish circular integrated speedometer, but also it enhanced safety. So we have turning signal, the blinking lighting to enhance your visibility. And it carried the same gene, the neon lighting, but the enhanced part is the suspension. So this one is city urban flat, but this one allows you to go a little bit off-road and kind of give you rugged and smooth riding experience. Pneumatic tire, foldable, and this one top speed is higher than the Neon Pro. Pro is already good, 20 miles per hour, and the ES40 is 24 miles per hour top speed. And the range, this one is 50 miles, and this one is 43.5.